everyone, welcome back to the channel Positivity and Happiness. I hope you all are doing great, and also my friends, I hope that you all are having a super fantastic and positive life with your family, with your friends. So from today's video title, you already know that today's video is all about recipes, and these recipes are very simple, very easy, but these are very popular, these two recipes especially that I am going to share with you all today. Bengali New Year or Bangla Naboborsho is just around the corner, so I thought of this is the best time to share these two wonderful and delicious recipes with you all. And also my friends, there is another important aspect about today's video that is also very fascinating. Today I will show you how within just 1 hour or 60 minutes we can prepare a very delicious and yummy lunch or dinner spread for our sudden guests. I mean, you also probably have experienced this thing that sometimes we get sudden guests at our place. We don't have a lot of time to do pre-preparation, marination or all those things in the previous night. So suddenly and quickly we have to make something delicious, super quick and easy at the same time. So how we can do that? With these two recipes, I'm going to prepare a very delicious lunch or dinner spread for our guests. So these two things will be there. One is Naboborsho and New Year special, two recipes that I'll show you in details, and at the last of today's video, I'll show you how with these two recipes we can make a delicious dinner spread or lunch spread for our sudden guests. So without wasting any time, let's straight go to the kitchen and make these delicious recipes. So keep watching the vlog. And here quickly I want to show you, my friends, all the ingredients that I have prepared to make today's very special two recipes. One is Bengali style Basanti Pulao and one is chicken korma, again Bengali style. So to make Bengali style Basanti Pulao or sweet yellow rice, we need actually Gobindobhog chal, but here I have just taken Zira Samba rice, which is pretty similar to Gobindobhog chal. And here is my chicken, which I have marinated just for 15 minutes now with yogurt, ginger garlic paste and all the dry spices. And here we Bengalis love to eat our chicken kosha or korma with potatoes, so I have taken potatoes as well. Here I have thinly sliced some onion, because in chicken korma fried onion or barista is a must thing. And here I have chopped onion and chopped tomatoes. And here a few dry spices, whole dry spices, and also my crushed ginger. And here is star anise, cardamom, mace, and there is a whole black pepper and also cinnamon stick. Here is my ghee, butter ghee that I'll use today to make very special pulao, and also today I'll make my chicken with mustard oil. So now let's start. And here, my friends, now I'm gonna marinate my rice properly. And also I have put that pan on this burner because I'll start making my chicken kosha, and here I'm marinating my rice with a little bit of sugar and then now salt. And here very important thing, ghee or clarified butter. Here is garam masala powder, crushed ginger, which is again very important. And for the color, here I'm adding turmeric. My hand is super clean. Now I'm gonna mix everything well and then I'll keep it aside. Here to make the chicken korma or chicken kosha, first of all I'm gonna fry this thinly sliced onion. So I have added 2 tablespoons of mustard oil in this pan, and now I'm frying this onion well. So yeah, it's done now. Just be very careful, my friends, don't overcook it, otherwise it will be little bitter in taste and also color will be too dark. So yes, this is the perfect thing. And now I'm gonna fry some potatoes. I have marinated these potato pieces with some turmeric and salt. And in the same oil, quickly I'm going to add some dry spices, whole dry spices like star anise, mace, 1 piece of cinnamon stick, 2 pieces of green cardamom, few cloves and whole black pepper. And now I have added 2 green chilies and onion. And here you can see I am cooking my onion paste super well with all the whole dry spices. And now I am adding my chopped tomatoes as well. So my friends, if you don't have star anise or mace in your kitchen, then definitely you can skip that part. I have added for extra flavor. Already I have that, but if you don't have, don't worry. And now my onion paste and tomatoes, they are cooked perfectly. And this is the proper time to add my marinated chicken here. So my friends, I have marinated my chicken pieces for 15 minutes, and also I have added ginger garlic paste there in my chicken. So I didn't add any extra ginger garlic paste. And now I am cooking my chicken in medium to low flame, and looks like all the masalas, they are cooked properly. So now in this point I am gonna add my fried potatoes, and then again I'll mix all the ingredients properly. My friends, if you don't have any time to marinate your chicken, not even for 15 minutes, then you can take small chicken breast pieces, because it will be super easy to cook. And now here I am adding chicken korma masala. So my friends, again, if you don't have any korma masala or biryani masala in your home, then you skip it. I have added for extra flavor because already I have it. So I am adding it. And now it's time to add warm water. So my friends, I always keep on telling you to add warm water into your dish, because you will see that with warm water your dish will taste even more better. So here now I'm gonna lower the flame and I will cover the lid and I'll cook it for another 10 minutes. And here my friends, you can see I have shifted my chicken pan into that burner because that is bigger and it will take less time. And here I'm multitasking, because whenever we have less time we have to multitask. I'm melting some ghee to make my pulao. And here you can see I have added 4 pieces of green cardamom, few cloves and also 1 cinnamon stick. And here my raisins and almonds, they are also ready. Usually we use cashew nuts in our Basanti pulao, but today I don't have that in my kitchen, so I'm using almonds. And now I have added my marinated rice here. And my friends, you have seen I have added already salt, sugar, ginger, crushed ginger and turmeric in my marinated rice. So I'll need to add anything here. Just now I have added my raisins and almonds. And now very patiently with low to medium flame, I'm gonna fry this rice. So yes, we have to be little patient whenever we are frying rice. Constantly we have to stir. And here my chicken is getting ready too. And now the most important part for making any pulao dishes, the quantity of water, which is very important. So my friends, I'll tell you, I have taken 2 cups of rice here. So you can see this is my measuring cup. So for 2 cups of rice, I'm gonna add 3½ cup of water. Again, I'll tell you my friends, for 2 cups of rice, I'll need 3½ cup of water. Just remember that for 2 cups of rice, I'll need 3½ cup of water. And now I'm gonna shift this rice mixture into my rice cooker container, because I'll make my pulao in rice cooker today, but you can make your pulao in this pan only. Then you have to cover the lid and you have to lower the flame. And here you can see my rice cooker is absolutely ready. So my friends, with rice cooker your pulao takes just few minutes to get cooked. Even though if you have pressure cooker, you can make very yummy Basanti pulao in pressure cooker. So my mom always cooks Basanti pulao in pressure cooker or any kind of pulao recipes. So here you can see I'm putting it into cooking mode, And now it will take just 15 to 20 minutes to get cooked properly. And there is my chicken. So my friends, here you can see within just 45 minutes my chicken is super well cooked, and also my Basanti pulao, it will be absolutely ready within 5 minutes. And also we have some time to make some fries. So whatever fries you want to make, you can make it. Today I'll make some eggplant, beguni we call it, eggplant butterfly. So yes, whenever we have sudden guests at our place, then this is the super idea. Today I just wanted to give you some idea that what food you can make whenever you have sudden guests. And also these are the Naboborsho special, very yummy and delicious Bengali recipes. And here you can see my Basanti pulao is absolutely ready. It's on warm mode, so that means it's properly cooked and ready. And here I have shifted my chicken korma with potatoes, Bengali style chicken korma or chicken kosha, here in this serving bowl. Also I have added 2 pieces of green chilies. And here now quickly I'll make some eggplant butterfly. So already my friends, in my channel I have given you this batter recipe. So with maida or all-purpose flour, I have added some oil and little bit of sugar, salt, baking powder and kalonji. That's it. I didn't add any extra masala today, but it will be super crispy. You will see at the end of today's video. And yes, now I'm gonna take out the lid and just look at this. It's very yummy, very delicious, and the rice will be super fluffy. We call it very jhorjhore Basanti pulao. So yes, it's ready. And now quickly I'll fry some eggplant. And here I have started already frying my eggplants. And in the meantime, my friends, whenever my eggplant will be ready, I'll cut some salad. So yes, my friends, my menu is simple today, but at the same time, it's very delicious. And we Bengalis love to eat Basanti pulao with some kosha aloo dum or chicken korma. Yes, these begunis are ready too. It's super crispy from outside and super well cooked and moist from inside. Now finally I want to show you, my friends, how this whole spread looks like. Isn't it looking so gorgeous and super tempting? So my friends, here you can see I have made these very simple recipes, Bengali Naboborsho style recipes within just 1 hour. And this is my Basanti pulao looks like. I have added few raisins and almonds on top for garnishing purpose. So it's looking even more gorgeous and appealing. So yes, that is ready, and here is my very special flavorful chicken korma with some potatoes. We Bengalis love to eat potatoes with our chicken korma, with our biryani. So yes, my chicken korma with potatoes is ready as well. And here is absolutely gorgeous looking begunis. So my friends, I have added semolina too in my batter. I forgot to tell you that. So it's very crispy from outside and moist from inside. And here is my freshly cut salad, which is looking again gorgeous. And I don't have any time to make any dessert. I already have some ice cream. So if we have ice cream in our kitchen or in our fridge, then we can manage this. I have added some chocolate syrup on top. So yes, the whole spread is looking so delicious. So that's all from today's video, my friends. I hope you have really enjoyed it. So my friends, if you want to know that how a proper Bengali thali looks like, what things are there in a Bengali thali, a typical big large Bengali thali, then my friends, you can watch my husband's birthday vlog, because that day for my Happy Bikram I made lots of Bengali special food. And also in my channel I have 2-3 guest special dinner recipes because you all know I love taste and I have a lot of friends here. So yes, I do lot of guest special recipes. So that video is also there in my channel, and my fitness and health related videos that I already have started sharing with you all. You all are liking that kind of videos. So from next week I will regularly post that kind of videos for you all. So thank you so much for liking my vlogs and contents. Those who have not yet subscribed to my channel, please my friends subscribe it, share it with your friends and family, and please share your valuable comments. So I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new vlog, with a brand new video. So tata, bye bye, love you.